Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financiable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Hamster Kombat profile name. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the Hamster Kombat app, which is basically a mini app of the Telegram. So now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Hamster Kombat apps on the screen. And you can see there is my CEO profile name, which is Saringan, which is at the top left corner of this dashboard. So let's tap in here first, and you can see there is any option to change my profile name. And yeah, let me tell you first, there is any kind of option to change your profile name as well. So this is my nickname, which is Saringan. So let me get back and let me show you the proof. So you can see, let's get to the settings, and you can see my nickname is Saringan in here. And let me tap on the edit, which is at the top right corner, and let me change my name first. Nickname, let's say Leonie. Now done, and now you can see my profile name, nickname has been changed successfully. So let's get to the chats. Let's open the hamster, tap on the play. So once you open it, let's close it, and now you can see my CEO name is still Saringan, and basically there is no any kind of option to change my profile name in Hamster Kombat for now, but I assume that in future it might gonna have some kind of option to change my profile name or my profile picture as well. So yeah, basically this is how, and this is the way, and there is no any kind of option to change the Hamster Kombat profile name. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.